became clear that the best way to stay competitive and protect the business for long term is to move production from our facility in Indianapolis to Monterrey, Mexico. Where we have existing carrier facilities. Listen, I've got information that's important to share as a part of the transition. If we could go ahead. If you don't want to hear it, other people do. So let's quiet down. Thank you very much. We also intend to relocate the distribution center from Indianapolis as well. Relocating our operations to Monterrey will allow us to maintain high levels of product quality at competitive prices and continue to serve the extremely price-sensitive marketplace. I want to be clear, this is strictly a business decision. Once again, let's please get more information to share. And by no means a reflection of the performance of this facility or any individual within it. It is important that you understand that there will be no impact on jobs today. In fact, the first transition would not take place until the middle of 2017. We expect the move to take place in phases over approximately 3 years as we ramp down our operations in the Indianapolis facility. We expect the transition to continue through 2019. This announcement is, of course, subject to discussions with our local union representatives. We will sit down with officials from the union in the coming days.
How long it takes people start tearing shit?
Throughout the transition, we must remain committed to manufacturing the same high-quality products that we always do.
Yeah, fuck you.
Once again, please quiet down. We still have a job to do. We have to take care of what needs to be done every day and continue to do it well, just like we always do. This was an extremely difficult decision. It was made most difficult because I understand that it will have an impact on all of you, your families, and the community. As we continue, and just as we are doing today, we will provide you with as much information as soon as possible about the transition. This will allow you to understand the plan better, as well as the impact on you personally. We are committed to treating you with respect throughout this transition, and we will work with your union representatives to help ensure that this is the case. Thank you for your attention. I'm now going to turn the floor over to Jim, who has some more important details.